Google just launched Nano Banana Pro, a pro-grade image engine built on the new Gemini 3 Pro image model, and the results are on a completely different level. This thing delivers sharp structure, clean composition, and image quality that finally looks industry-ready without endless retries. You get believable faces, accurate text, stable characters, and even data-aware designs that actually make sense. Whether you create thumbnails, ads, packaging, or full 4K artwork, Nano Banana Pro is already pushing past everything we've been used to. And the best part is, you can try it right now. Nano Banana Pro is live on Higgsfield AI, and I'll leave the link in the description so you can test it for yourself. Let's dive in. Head over to Higgsfield AI and sign up for a free account if you have not already done so. Make sure to keep in mind that Higgsfield AI does not have any mobile applications, so anything you see on the App Store or Play Store is not connected to them in any way. Now, as you can see on my screen, Higgsfield AI offers a complete collection of powerful AI tools with features that many other platforms simply do not have. Their tools cover both image generation and video generation, and the level of control you get here is something creators love. If you scroll a little further down the page, you will find a vibrant community section where people share the images and videos they have created. It gives you a clear sense of what is possible and the kind of quality the platform can produce. For this tutorial, I want to focus specifically on the capabilities of the Nano Banana Pro image engine inside Higgsfield AI. Hover your mouse over the image menu and you will see Nano Banana Pro listed there. Go ahead and click on it. Once you arrive on the Nano Banana Pro image creation page, you will immediately notice a few key sections. The first thing that stands out is your collection of previously generated images, all neatly organized in one place, so you can easily revisit your past work. If you look further down the page, you will see the prompt field, which is the area where you will be giving Nano Banana Pro your instructions for image creation. Now, let us test one of my prompts so you can see exactly how this works. For this example, I want to generate a powerful and intense battle scene set deep inside a rainforest. Here is the exact prompt I am using. Listen to it in case you would like to replicate it on your own. A dramatic and intense battle scene unfolding in a dense tropical rainforest. Two opposing warriors clashing with full force, surrounded by towering wet trees, thick mist, falling rain, and scattered sparks from clashing weapons. The ground is muddy with water splashes, broken branches, and flying debris. Bright cinematic lighting breaking through the rain and tree canopy, illuminating the action, highlighting armor details, facial expressions, and motion. Ultra-realistic textures on leaves, water droplets, and clothing. Strong depth, dynamic action poses, and vivid dramatic color tones. 4K composition with sharp, crisp clarity. Let me know if you need the prompt and I will send it to you. Next, select your desired image aspect ratio. As you can see, there are many options available to fit different needs. For this tutorial, I will choose 16:9, which is perfect for a wide landscape-style image. After that, I will set the image resolution to 4K. Yes, 4K. This is a huge improvement from Google, allowing you to create high-quality, professional images straight away without needing to upscale them afterward. I'll leave all the other settings as they are and then click Generate. In just a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro will create our image. Now, let's take a look at the result and preview the incredible detail and realism that this tool can produce. Now, how about that? Just wow! Take a moment to really look at the detail, the lighting, and the dynamic action. What do you think? Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Just like before, you can easily modify your image or add new elements without needing any editing skills. For example, I'm going to write a prompt to add an angel dressed in white into the middle of the battle scene, making peace between the fighters. Then, I'll click Generate and let Nano Banana Pro do its magic. Let's take a look at the result and see how seamlessly it integrates with the original scene. I performed another manipulation. As you can see, this is absolutely insane, and all of these images are in stunning 4K resolution. The clarity and detail are next level. Now, there is one more feature of this tool that I really want to show you. Did you know that you can generate infographics with Nano Banana Pro, and they come out perfectly without any text distortion, layout issues, or bad color? For this example, I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for an infographic on how to prepare grilled chicken. I will simply paste that prompt into Nano Banana Pro, leave all the other settings the same, and click Generate. Let's take a look at the result and see just how clean and professional the infographic turns out. This is good, guys. I am impressed. To download your images, just click on the download button and it will be saved to your device. Guys, there are so many incredible things you can create with this new tool, and I will leave the rest to your imagination. Whether you are a professional Photoshop artist creating production-ready 2K or 4K assets, a performance marketer or ad creative designing text-heavy banners and social ads, or a brand and packaging designer mocking up boxes, bottles, labels, or UI with perfectly legible typography, Nano Banana Pro has you covered. It is also perfect for thumbnail and poster artists who need consistent characters and layouts, educational or explainer creators visualizing diagrams, equations, or structured content, product and UX teams prototyping dashboards and app flows, and agencies or in-house teams looking for predictable, low-iteration image workflows from precise prompts. Make sure you click the link in the description and try it out for yourself. Do not forget to share your thoughts and creations in the comments. I will see you in the next video.